Hey guys, can you hear? As I was telling you before, I'm going to show you how Google Chromecast works. As I said, this Chromecast device streams online videos and audio from the phone to the TV. So I'm going to demo it to you. How does it work? So basically this is the Google Chromecast. Okay, so it comes with the HDMI port, and the power source is basically a USB cable. So what you have to do is, let me just show it to you. So first of all, you have to plug in the HDMI Chromecast. Hi guys, good morning. As I was showing you in the earlier video, after we plug in the Google Chromecast to the TV, this will be the next step. So when you switch on to your TV, and then when you go to the HDMI source, okay, your connection, this is what you will see on your screen. So it says welcome to the Google Chromecast, and it will ask you to install the Google Home app. So if you can see in my iPad, I have the Google Home app, which I'm going to install right now. Okay guys, so my Google Home app is ready, so let me open it. Okay, so you have to make sure that your Google Chromecast and your iPad or iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Okay, so I'm gonna press get started. Okay, so first of all, of course, if you are using Google apps, you need a Google account. Okay, so make sure you have a Google account or Google or Gmail account, working Gmail account, before you start using the Chromecast. Okay, so I'm going to choose my account. Okay, right, so this is the first setup screen for your Google Chromecast. Now what happens here is your Google Home app need to be connected to the Google Chromecast first. Okay, so that's what they are showing here, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is connect it to the Google Chromecast. Okay, as you can see, it shows Chromecast 9442. Now let me just move my camera here and show you on the TV. If you can see at the bottom left corner, it says Chromecast 9442. So you have to make sure it's the same device. Okay, so I'm going to connect it. So as you can see, it's connected. So next I will go to the Google Home app again. I went back to the app, and you can see this on the screen. Okay, so to continue, you have to make sure the code is same, which is G9H9, G6H9. Yes, it's the same code. Okay, so I press yes. Okay, choose a location. So if it's the living room, you can put it living room, or if it's the bedroom, family room, so you can just choose any of the rooms here. So I'm just going to choose bedroom, and next. This is where it will ask you to connect the Chromecast to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so if your house or office has a Wi-Fi with the password, choose the Wi-Fi, which is mine, is called Maximus. Okay, next. So of course you have to key in the password for your Wi-Fi. So you press connect. As you can see, this is what's happening in the iPad, and this is what's happening on the screen. Okay, so you have to wait for the okay guys, so once your Chromecast is connected to the Wi-Fi, which is the same Wi-Fi or same internet connection with your phone or iPad, so this is what you'll see. So the Chromecast is ready. Whatever that you're looking at now is actually pictures from my Google Photos, which is linked to my Google account. Okay, so this is what I'll see on my phone or iPad, and this is what you'll see on the TV. It's the same screen. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to play videos from the iPad straight to the TV. Okay, now this is what I'll do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the YouTube app. Okay, now as you can see at the top corner here you can see an icon. That is the Google Chromecast icon that enables you to connect your YouTube to the TV. So what happens is when I press here, as you can see, it's connecting to the TV, and this is what's happening. As you can see, I'm connected to the YouTube. Okay, so if I want to play any video from the YouTube to the TV, this is what I'll do. Okay, so when I press any video, you'll have the play button. Let me go closer a bit. Okay, play button. Q means you can queue up a playlist for it to continue playing to the TV. Now when I play, okay, so as you can see, it's playing on the TV. So I'm playing this Land Before Time video. So as you can see, whatever video that you're watching on the TV is actually from the YouTube, which I'm controlling from the iPad or iPhone. Okay, now let me show you if I change to another video. Okay, let me put this down. Let me show you another one, just to show you how it works. Okay, so let me show you from my channel. Let me show you this video. So I'm playing a video from my channel. So as you can see, it's playing from the iPad, but it's actually playing the video on the TV. See that? So basically the Google Chromecast is fully working right now. I can actually watch any YouTube videos from the phone to the TV. Now if you were to do the same thing to watch movies or cartoons or anime, So I'm going to put up another video on what is the app that you can actually use, which will help you to stream the video to the TV. You need a special app for this. Okay, so as you can see, it's streaming quite fast. There's no buffer. Okay, so that's it guys, that's how the Google Chromecast works. So stay tuned, I'll see you in the next video where I'll show you what is the app that you're going to use to watch Hong Kong dramas, cartoons, movies from the phone to the TV. See you again guys, bye bye.